Discover the best destinations to visit in Turkey and create unforgettable memories. Turkey, a land where East meets West, boasts a rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty. From the bustling bazaars of Istanbul to the otherworldly landscapes of Cappadocia and the ancient ruins of Ephesus, Turkey offers a wealth of captivating destinations that promise unforgettable experiences. In this article, we'll guide you through some of the best destinations to visit in Turkey, where you can embark on a journey of a lifetime. 1. Istanbul, where continents collide. Istanbul, Turkey's largest city, straddles two continents, Europe and Asia, and is a bridge between cultures and civilizations. Explore the historic Hagia Sophia, marvel at the intricate architecture of the Blue Mosque, and wander through the bustling Grand Bazaar. Take a cruise along the Bosphorus to witness the city's unique skyline. 2. Cappadocia, a surreal world of fairy chimneys. Cappadocia, located in central Turkey, is famous for its extraordinary landscapes of cone-shaped rock formations known as fairy chimneys. Experience the magic of hot air ballooning at sunrise, explore underground cities, and discover the ancient rock-cut churches and monasteries that dot the region. 3. Ephesus, ancient Roman splendor. Ephesus, an ancient Roman city on the western coast of Turkey, is a treasure trove of historical wonders. Visit the well-preserved library of Celsus, explore the vast theater, and wander through the marble streets where ancient Romans once roamed. Ephesus offers a vivid glimpse into the past. 4. Antalya, turquoise coast paradise. Antalya, on Turkey's southwestern coast, is renowned for its stunning Mediterranean beaches and historic old town. Explore the well-preserved Roman harbor, stroll through the narrow streets of Kalaichi, and relax on the pristine sands of Konyaaltı and Lara beaches. 5. Pamukkale, the Cotton Castle. Pamukkale, meaning cotton castle, in Turkish, is famous for its terraces of white mineral-rich thermal waters. Walk on the surreal terraces and take a dip in the warm pools while enjoying views of the surrounding countryside. Nearby, the ancient city of Hierapolis adds historical depth to your visit. 6. Bodrum, Aegean Jewel. Bodrum, on the Aegean coast, offers a mix of history, nightlife, and natural beauty. Visit the ancient Bodrum Castle, home to the Museum of Underwater Archaeology, and explore the charming streets of Bodrum town. The region's beaches and vibrant nightlife make it a popular destination. 7. Göreme, unique cave dwellings. Göreme, located in the heart of Cappadocia, is known for its unique cave dwellings and rock-cut churches. Explore the open-air museum, where you can admire ancient frescoes and discover the hidden gems of this remarkable region. In conclusion, Turkey is a land of diverse landscapes, rich history, and a vibrant blend of cultures. Whether you're drawn to the historic treasures of Istanbul, the surreal landscapes of Cappadocia, the ancient wonders of Ephesus, or the coastal paradise of Antalya, Turkey offers an array of destinations to satisfy every traveler's desires. Plan your journey and immerse yourself in the captivating culture, breathtaking scenery, and delectable cuisine that make Turkey an unforgettable destination. Turkey welcomes you with open arms, ready to create memories that will last a lifetime.